Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme C51 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then we have to scroll down to the very bottom in order to find the system. Now let's scroll again to tap on reset options, and as you can see at the top we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap, and here your device will inform you that it will reset all network settings including the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So let's tap on reset settings. Of course we will have to confirm it with our screen lock, and here we've got also the information that this operation cannot be undone, so if you're sure, tap on reset settings and wait a second. And as you can see we've got this information that the network settings have been reset successfully. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.